Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Capcut smooth slow motion not working. So make sure to watch the video till the very end, and let's begin. In order to fix this issue, you first have to launch the settings of your device. Then you need to scroll down and then tap on apps. In the apps, you are going to see all of the applications that are currently installed in your device. Now, among these applications, you need to look for Capcut, and you simply need to tap on its icon. Once done, you will be landed on the app info of Capcut, where you just have to click on storage option. Here, you will see two options in the bottom of your screen. You just need to tap on clear cache. Once it is done, you just have to launch your Capcut application again, and you need to select the project. After that, you need to check whether the problem is fixed or not. If the problem still persists, then you need to go to your settings again, and now you will have to click on clear data in the bottom. This time you will have to click on clear all data. Once done, it will log you out from your account and it will remove all of the data from Capcut. So you just have to launch your Capcut mobile application again, and then you just have to check whether the problem is fixed or not. If the problem still persists, then what you can do is you can simply uninstall your Capcut mobile application, and you just have to reinstall it from Play Store or App Store. And this is definitely going to fix your issue. So that's basically how you can fix Capcut's smooth slow motion not working. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.